गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। कल पढ़े थे टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशन, आज देखते हैं उसका डिफिनेशन। फर्स्ट है एम्प्टी रिलेशन, इसी को बोलते हैं वॉइड रिलेशन, नॉन रिलेशन। डिफिनेशन है ए रिलेशन आर इन ए सेट ए इज कॉल्ड एम्प्टी रिलेशन इफ नो एलिमेंट ऑफ set A is related to any element of set A, that is R equals to 5 subset of A cross A. दूसरा है यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन। A relation R in set A is called universal relation if each element of set A is related to every element of set A, that is R equals to A cross A. Note, both the empty relation and universal relation are sometimes called trivial relation. Identity relation देखते हैं। तीसरा, the relation on a set A is defined as order pair A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to A is called identity relation. Note, in a identity relation on set A, every element of A should be related to itself only. आइडेंटिटी रिलेशन वैसा रिलेशन होता है जिसमें प्रत्येक एलिमेंट खुद से रिलेट हो, तो उस टाइप के रिलेशन को आइडेंटिटी रिलेशन कहा जाता है। आगे देखते हैं। लेट ए बी ए नॉन एम्प्टी सेट, देन ए रिलेशन आर ऑन set A is said to be reflexive if A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to A, that is if A related to A for all A belongs to A is called reflexive relation. दूसरा है symmetric relation. If A comma B belongs to R, imply that BA belongs to R for all AB belongs to A, that is if A related to B for imply that B related to A for all AB belongs to A is called symmetric relation. Transitive relation, if A comma B belongs to R comma and BC belongs to R, imply that AC belongs to R for all ABC belongs to A, that is if A related to B and B related to C, imply that A related to C for all ABC belongs to A is called transitive relation. Equivalence relation. A relation R in a set A is said to be an equivalence relation if R is symmetric, reflexive, symmetric and transitive. वैसा रिलेशन जो रिफ्लेक्सिव भी हो, सिमेट्रिक भी हो और ट्रांजिटिव भी हो, तो वह इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन कहलाता है।